Hi guys, you might have seen the video where I picked this one up in a charity shop. Had to fix it, it had a broken wire in it. It's got a electromagnet in the base that makes it swirl around. Then I decided to play around with the bits and ended up making a pulse motor. Bit noisy because it's out of balance, mainly because I've left it in the sunshine and PLA tends to go out of shape. But as you can see, it's going fine. Just a bit shaky. Anyway, I've just had an idea. And stop it. Oh, just to show again, it needs a little push to get it going. A little bit more than that. And then it gets going. Because it actually needs the magnets to be moving to trigger the pulse in the coil in the black bit there to actually keep it moving. So that works fine. The idea I've had is originally I wanted to do some sort of chaotic motion. And what's he go by? Brand64, I think is his channel name. He's just been playing around with a, was it solar powered? Seagull. Seagull. And I remembered I got this Kinetic art. Oh, I'll just have to move the camera a bit so you can see it. Again, picked up in a charity shop some time ago. It's just got 3 counterbalanced seagulls, and when there's a bit of wind going by, it makes them start rocking, and they all start moving in a random manner, or fairly random. I have tried running it with a pulse motor in the past. Can't remember whether I was successful or not. I'll have to look at the old videos. But I did wonder what happens if I just stick that on top of there. It will need a magnet. And because it's fairly slow moving, I don't think it's going to trigger the coil properly. But I've got some magnets here. If I put one underneath, there's not enough clearance. I'll just demonstrate that. Yeah. I don't have a small enough or thin enough magnet to go directly underneath, and that would be the ideal position. It needs to be, I suppose I could, no, it's not going to work if I try and lift it up above it. And you see, as soon as that one's magnetic, the other one starts sticking to it, so that's not good. So, if I put it on one side, I think that got a kick then as it went past. Yeah, it is getting kicked. Because that one's getting kicked, it's affecting the other one, and so they are acting chaotically. This one seems to be well out of position. I'll just move the camera so we can see the whole thing moving. You know, I doubt whether this will keep working for any length of time. because I don't think that it's moving fast enough to generate the pulse or to trigger the pulse. But it definitely is getting a kick and making it move. What else can we do? I could change the order they're in, because this one's way out of position now. If I push it all the way through there, well, that one's actually now that one's stuck. Well, I've got to say, I seem to have chaotic motion. Not what I intended. I really wanted something inside the cloche. That's not going to fit in the cloche. But it is getting a kick, and because it's interacting with the other balls, it's chaotic. It's not continuous. So, inspired by John. Brand 64. I'm very tempted to put another magnet on there just to double the power. That probably means they'll all lock up together. Put it on there, twice the weight. Yeah, it's going to lock it up because it's got too much power. This one usually sits in my window ledge so that the breeze through the windows gets it moving.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.